Welcome back to my channel, and it is your girl Naturallytheuni, and in today's video I'm doing a hair video. And in today's video I'm doing a hair video, and I love this hair. Oh my gosh, $10? $10. $10. What? $10? I don't know. I don't know what to say. Like, this hair looks amazing. I love how it turned out. Everything that I used will be in the description bar below. The link to the hair will be in the description bar below. Yeah, I created baby hairs. They're not like the best baby hairs, but it's a little some just to, you know, take away from the fact that it's synthetic. But I think it looks nice. It's not the fullest wig in the world, but it's not that bad. This is what the back looks like. If that looks bad, then it looks bad because I can't see what I'm showing you at this very second. I only see what I see right here. But yeah, that's what the back looks like. And it comes down right here. I did a bit of thinning out to the hair with my shear scissors. Not a bit, actually, a whole bunch. And this isn't even all of it. I cut off the piece, just like basically a track that they use to create like a bang kind of thing. I cut that right off because we don't need that. We're not trying to have that. So I snipped it off, and now my wig's kind of falling apart. I'll fix it later for $10. Who cares? I could just buy another one when it's done. Like, I'm just excited. I feel like this is gonna be a thing on my channel. I feel like we're just gonna be reviewing synthetic wigs now, because if they could look like this and I don't have to dye the hair, then why not? It's $10. That's how much I'd spend on hair dye alone, not even adding in the bleach and all that stuff. All I can say is, yes, the hair is gonna tangle. What do you expect? It's synthetic. It's $10. It is what it is. It's hot, but that's because it's synthetic, and synthetic hair is hot. Yeah, I don't really know what you expect for a $10 wig. You're gonna have snags along the way, but the fact that I thinned it out a whole lot at the end helped get rid of a lot of the snagging that I was going through, as you'll see a little bit down the road. But so far, I really love how this hair is. It looks so pretty, and it don't look $10 to me. I just added some concealer into the part just to make it match my scalp, and yeah, just it looks the bomb diggity. I think that's it. If you have any questions about this hair, just leave it down there, and I'll have no problem with getting back to you as soon as I get the chance. I'm sorry if I'm looking over here. I'm just looking at the hair. It just looks so bomb for $10. Like, so excited. But yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, let me know if you'd rock this wig. This is how the Wood Festival long wavy dark gray wig cosplay woman heat resistant hair synthetic wigs, what a title, from Wood Festival synthetic hair wig stores came. And the exact price was $10.16, and the length is 32 inches long. wig doesn't come with anything to hold it in place, so I use bobby pins. You also have the option to sew down some clips onto the inside of the wig, but I didn't do all of that. After putting on the wig, I instantly knew that I needed to cut off that bang piece. I was scared because I didn't want to ruin the wig, but it was only $10, so I didn't mind. This wig was made with a plastic closure and is sewn onto the track that creates the bang. I used my scissors and I cut off that front track so that I don't have that bang piece anymore. Now I'm using my shear scissors to thin out the middle and the ends of the hair. Shear scissors are the ones that have the comb on one side and the straight blade on the other side. The reason that I'm using shear scissors to thin out the hair is because I don't want to make the cuts blunt, and I want the hair to be thinner so that it's less likely to tangle. From doing the other side off camera, I learned that a spray bottle with water comes in handy. My goal while thinning out the hair is to thin it out until there's no extreme knots in the hair. I'm using dry shampoo to dull some of the shine from the wig. I'm using this one because I've had the sample size version of it sitting around, but feel free to use whatever brand you want to. I'm going to go off camera and do the other side just so that this video isn't extra long, and I also want to remind you that it's way better and easier when you use a spray bottle with water in it. Here's the difference between the side that I've finished already and the side that I have not finished already. The closure part of the wig comes white, so I'm taking some concealer on a small angled brush and I'm going to give it a more realistic look by filling in the white part with a color that's more close to my color. Now that I'm done putting concealer in the part, I'm going to attempt to create baby hairs. At first, I'm attempting to cut it with shear scissors, and that wasn't really working. So the second time, I used the regular scissors to cut it, and then I used my shear scissors. After the baby hairs reach a thickness that I'm okay with, I gel it down with my Gorilla Snot gel, and that's it. Now that I'm done recording this video, I'm going to go look in a mirror and realize that I have no lipstick on. Well, thank you guys for watching. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. See you next time.